Before I show you how to get the ChatGPT on your WhatsApp account, let's see how to make money using it. Making money using ChatGPT on WhatsApp involves leveraging the platform features to offer products or services. I'll be giving you 4 ways you can use this ChatGPT WhatsApp to make money for yourself. 1. Freelance writing. All you need to do is to offer content writing services to businesses and individuals utilizing ChatGPT to generate high quality content. Advertise your services on WhatsApp and deliver content to clients. 2 is affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to promote products or services and you earn commission for each sale you make through your unique referral link. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging content on WhatsApp to reach potential customers. 3 is selling digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks or courses using ChatGPT to craft content, advertise and sell products on WhatsApp. The 4th one is content creation. Offer content creation services such as blog posts, social media content or video script using ChatGPT. Advertise your services on WhatsApp and deliver content to clients. Now let's see how to get the ChatGPT on your WhatsApp account right away. So first of all, you are going to launch your Chrome. After launching your Chrome, then you search for ChatGPT. So after searching for it, then you go to the search bar, then you search for I need ChatGPT WhatsApp account number. So you can search for how can I use ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Anyone will work. So I've searched and then it's loading. So yes, the official ChatGPT WhatsApp number is this. So all you need to do is to copy it. So that's the +1, yes, 800. So you copy. After you have copied, you go to your WhatsApp. You can paste the number somewhere and then send. When you send, then you click on the number. It will redirect you to chat. So you see chat with the number. So voila, we have ChatGPT on our WhatsApp. So you can ask ChatGPT any question you at all you want to ask on WhatsApp. Yeah, so I'm asking ChatGPT how to cook beans on WhatsApp. Yes, so there's no more stress in going to Google to search for ChatGPT and ask your questions. Now you have your ChatGPT on your WhatsApp account. So this is my ChatGPT. Anytime I want to ask questions, any concerns I have, I'll just go to my WhatsApp and then I have my ChatGPT. Then I can ask any questions at all. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share the video for others to benefit. If you have any questions or concerns, you can drop that in the comment section. You can also tell us what you want to learn so we can do videos on that.